Welcome, Meatless Dish family. Today we're going to be making a sweet green juice that tastes good and is good for your soul. I lost over 60 pounds in 2019 and kept it off by cleaning up what I eat and drink without sacrificing taste. This is my soda, my Gatorade, my fountain of juice. I drink one every day, and the kids love it too. This juice has kale, coconut water, apples, strawberries, blueberries, parsley, blackberries, cucumber, and kiwi. It's packed full of vitamins, nutrients, antioxidants, and electrolytes. All the things to help keep you at your best. Let's make some good. This is everything you're going to need to make this juice. It's all organic, but feel free to experiment and substitute as you see fit. The batch I'm preparing will make about 2 gallons and lasts us about 5 days. So what you see on the screen here is a smaller portion of what's actually going into the juice. I didn't want to clutter the shot. The ingredients and measurements will also be listed in the description. All the ingredients have been washed and cut up to fit in the blender. Let's start with the green stuff. The reason I'm blending and not juicing is to keep all the natural fiber. It helps to have a good blender so it doesn't come out too thick. Start by adding 16 ounces of 100% coconut water. And read your labels, they try to sneak in other ingredients even when it's organic. Throw in the kale and blend it. Don't be scared. Add more kale and coconut water. Repeat the process until all the kale is blended and distributed evenly across the jars. I used 3 bunches of kale total. Set it aside. Same deal, but now with the parsley, cucumber, and kiwi. Just keep adding and blending until you have a nice juice-like consistency. Distribute across the jars. I used 1 large bunch of parsley, 2 large cucumbers, and 6 kiwis here. Now it's time to get cinematic with the apples. Yeah. I blended 9 apples, 7 red, 2 green. Damn, this juice is too clean. Distribute. Again. Set it aside. Now it's time to take care of business. Add them berries. I blended 32 ounces of blueberries, 10 ounces of blackberries, and 32 ounces of strawberries. Again, distribute. We're leaving a little room in the jar so we can shake things up. Oh yeah. And just as an FYI, I used about 128 ounces of coconut water total. And there you have it, a refreshing, action-packed juice that you can enjoy every day, but don't have to make every day. Let's take this moment to appreciate what we just created. Love this juice. Thanks for watching.